Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you with a wake-up call. It's a wake-up call for all of us, one that reminds us of the fleeting nature of time. Every second we let slip by without purpose is a second we will never get back. Wake up, you are wasting your life. These are words we all need to hear. We have all been caught up in the hustle, the distractions, the excuses. But it's time to stop, reflect, and realize the truth that can no longer be ignored. Time is perhaps the most precious resource we have, yet it is the one that we most often take for granted. We can spend money and earn it back. We can lose friends, but we can also make new ones. We can lose our health, but with effort, we can regain it. But time is the one thing that, once it's gone, can never be retrieved. It doesn't matter how much wealth, power, or influence we have, time remains elusive and non-renewable. Think about it. Every minute that ticks by is a minute that we will never ever experience again. It's easy to get caught up in the busyness of life, distracted by endless tasks, emails, and obligations. But how often do we stop to ask ourselves if these distractions are truly valuable? How often do we spend our time on things that genuinely add meaning to our lives, versus things that merely fill the space without fulfilling us? We waste time in many ways, often without even realizing it. There are countless hours spent in front of screens. Whether it's watching television, scrolling through social media, or getting lost in the endless abyss of the internet. These are all forms of entertainment and escape, yes, but at what cost? We are given only so many hours in a day. Every time we choose to spend those hours in a mindless way, we are subtracting from the time we could spend building something that matters, nurturing relationships, pursuing passions, or working toward personal growth. Even more insidious is the way we waste time in a more abstract sense, by delaying decisions, procrastinating, or making excuses. I'll start tomorrow, we tell ourselves. I'll work on my goals next week, next month, next year. But the truth is, we often don't have that luxury. Tomorrow is never promised, and the future is shaped by what we do today. The longer we put off making changes, the more time slips through our fingers without notice. The list of things we plan to do becomes longer and longer, yet we make little progress, because we're constantly waiting for the right time to act, which never comes. The idea of time as a finite resource isn't just about the big moments, like deciding to change careers or starting a family. It's also about the small moments. How often do we scroll through our phones during dinner with family, missing out on precious conversations? How often do we postpone spending quality time with friends because we're too busy, and then later wonder where the years have gone? These moments, the ones we think are inconsequential, are the ones that eventually add up to a life filled with regret. A life where we look back and realize how much time we wasted. As we grow older, time begins to feel more urgent. The days blend into weeks, and the weeks into years. What once seemed like an endless expanse of time suddenly feels like it's running out. Yet many people still live as if they have all the time in the world. They don't feel the pressure to act, to make the most of what they have, because they're convinced they'll get around to it eventually. But time doesn't work that way. We need to realize that the way we choose to spend our time today will define who we become tomorrow. Do you want to look back on your life and realize you've spent it waiting for the right moment? Or do you want to see a life rich with experiences, growth, and meaningful accomplishments because you made the most of every single day? It's not enough to merely acknowledge that time is finite. We must also make intentional choices about how we use it. Every day is a chance to make a difference, to change course, to make progress. Time, once gone, is lost forever. So why waste it on things that don't matter, or allow it to slip away because we're too afraid to take the first step? When we truly understand the value of time, it transforms the way we approach life. It pushes us to take action now, not later. It challenges us to prioritize what truly matters, our relationships, our growth, our passions, over the endless distractions that threaten to consume our days. And the beautiful thing is, we all have the power to take back control of our time. By becoming mindful of how we spend each day, we can begin to make choices that align with our goals and values, ensuring that we don't look back with regret, but with a sense of accomplishment and purpose. Time is the one resource we cannot afford to waste, because it is the one thing that once gone can never be returned. Living with purpose and intention is not just a lofty ideal or a motivational phrase. It's the foundation upon which a meaningful and fulfilling life is built. Yet, so many of us go through life without fully understanding the power of purpose. We often find ourselves caught in a cycle of routine and habit, merely reacting to the events of the day rather than actively shaping our lives. We allow life to happen to us rather than taking control and choosing the direction we want to go. The difference between simply existing and truly living is a matter of intentionality. Purpose is what gives our lives meaning. It's the reason we get up in the morning, the reason we push through challenges, and the reason we keep going when things get tough. Without purpose, we drift. We float along, allowing the current of life to take us wherever it may, unsure of where we are headed, or even if that destination matters. But when we live with purpose, we wake up every day with a sense of direction, a sense of clarity about who we are and what we are here to do. To live with purpose means that every action, every decision, and every thought is aligned with that deeper meaning. It's not enough to just go through the motions, hoping that life will eventually fall into place. We have to take proactive steps to ensure that we are living in accordance with our values and goals. This requires self-awareness, discipline, and a deep understanding of what truly matters to us. Unfortunately, many people spend years, sometimes even their entire lives, without ever taking the time to define their purpose. They may stumble into careers that aren't aligned with their passions, settle for relationships that don't fulfill them, or let their days pass by without considering whether they are living according to their deepest values. This lack of intentionality can leave people feeling unsatisfied, unfulfilled, and at times disconnected from their true selves. Living with purpose also means making intentional decisions about how we spend our time. It's easy to get caught up in the noise of daily life, the endless demands of work, family, and society, and forget to check in with ourselves. But if we want to live with purpose, we must become intentional about where we direct our energy. Thus, it's about setting clear goals and taking actionable steps to achieve them, even when it's difficult or inconvenient. One of the greatest challenges we face is that purpose often doesn't come easily. It's not something that can be figured out in a day or found by following a simple formula. It takes time, self-reflection, and often a great deal of trial and error to discover what truly brings us joy and fulfillment. But once we find it, purpose becomes a guiding force. It helps us make difficult decisions, prioritize our efforts, and stay grounded in the midst of life's uncertainties. Living intentionally is also about being mindful of how we approach every day. It's easy to fall into a routine where we simply go through the motions. Wake up, work, eat, sleep, and repeat. But this cycle, while comfortable, can rob us of the sense of purpose that gives life depth and richness. When we live with intention, every day becomes an opportunity to make choices that move us closer to our goals. Whether it's choosing to spend time with loved ones, investing in personal development, or taking a risk to pursue a passion, these small intentional decisions build up over time to create a life that's rich with meaning. Purpose also helps us endure hardship. When we face challenges, obstacles, and setbacks, which are an inevitable part of life, it's easy to lose our way. Without purpose, it's easy to feel like giving up is the only option. But when we have a clear understanding of why we're doing what we're doing, we're more likely to persevere. Our purpose serves as an anchor during tough times, reminding us that the struggles we face are part of a bigger picture. Even the most difficult circumstances can be viewed through the lens of our purpose, making it easier to push through and continue moving forward. Furthermore, living with purpose can positively influence those around us. When we are clear about our purpose, it's not just our own life that benefits. Our families, friends, and communities feel the ripple effects of our intentionality. People are drawn to those who live with purpose because they radiate a sense of clarity, confidence, and direction. When we live intentionally, we inspire others to do the same. This creates a positive feedback loop where everyone involved becomes more connected, more motivated, and more willing to pursue their own passions and goals. At its core, living with purpose means living authentically. It means aligning our actions with our true selves and being honest about who we are and what we want. It means not settling for a life that feels empty or disconnected, but instead working tirelessly to create a life that feels rich and fulfilling. But purpose isn't always about grand, life-changing goals. It can also be about the small, everyday decisions we make. It's about being intentional with our time, our energy, and our attention, even in the seemingly mundane moments of life. The way we approach our work, our relationships, and our personal growth can all be infused with purpose. Purpose doesn't just reside in the big dreams. It lives in the little choices we make every single day. Every single day. Ultimately, living with purpose and intention requires us to step out of autopilot mode and take full responsibility for the direction of our lives. It means no longer waiting for life to happen to us, but instead taking the reins and making conscious decisions about who we want to be and what we want to accomplish. Purpose transforms the way we see the world, making every moment meaningful, every action significant, and every step toward our goals an important part of the journey. When we live with purpose, we unlock the true potential of our lives. We no longer waste time because we are too busy living a life that matters. Fear is one of the most powerful forces in our lives, often dictating our decisions and shaping our actions in ways that we may not even be fully aware of. It holds us back, keeps us stuck in the familiar, and prevents us from stepping outside of our comfort zones. Fear is the voice in our heads that tells us we're not good enough, that we'll fail, or that we're not worthy of success. It makes us doubt our abilities and second-guess our decisions. Yet, it is also a universal experience that all of us face. The difference lies in how we respond to that fear and how willing we are to push past it. Fear of failure is perhaps the most common fear that people encounter when thinking about taking risks. We are conditioned to believe that failure is something to avoid at all costs. But in doing so, we miss one of life's greatest lessons. Failure is not the end. In fact, failure is often the beginning of growth. The fear of failure can be paralyzing, convincing us that the potential consequences of taking a risk are too great. But the reality is that not taking a risk, the decision to stay where we are, is often the greater failure. Because in that choice, we forfeit the possibility of success, of growth, and of the chance to live our fullest potential. When we fail, we learn. We discover our limits, our weaknesses, and our strengths. Every failure teaches us something valuable that success cannot. If we're afraid to fail, we prevent ourselves from experiencing these crucial lessons. In fact, many of the world's most successful individuals have faced numerous failures throughout their lives. They didn't allow fear to stop them. They used their failures as stepping stones toward greater achievements. And in the process, they learned to trust themselves and their abilities, knowing that failure was not an end, but a part of the journey toward success. Another reason we often shy away from taking risks is the fear of judgment or rejection. We fear what others will think of us if we fail, if we fall short of expectations, or if we venture into the unknown. This fear of external judgment can be particularly strong in a society where success is often measured by visible accomplishments, accolades, and public recognition. The idea of putting ourselves out there, of taking risks that might expose our vulnerabilities, feels terrifying. We worry that others will criticize us, ridicule us, or think less of us. But the truth is, the fear of judgment is largely based on perception. Most of the time, people are more focused on their own lives and struggles than on scrutinizing ours. And even if others do criticize or reject us, their opinions don't define our worth. Taking risks is a personal journey, and the only judgment that truly matters is our own. When we allow fear of judgment to control us, we are essentially allowing other people's perceptions to dictate our lives. But when we choose to take risks in spite of that fear, we reclaim our power. We stop living to please others and start living for ourselves. The fear of the unknown is another major barrier that keeps people from taking risks. Venturing into uncharted territory can feel unsettling. The comfort of the known, no matter how unfulfilling, often feels safer than the uncertainty that comes with new opportunities. We like to feel in control, and taking a risk means embracing uncertainty and relinquishing that control. But in doing so, we open ourselves up to new possibilities, new experiences, and new discoveries about ourselves and the world around us. The unknown isn't something to fear. It's something to embrace because it holds the potential for growth and transformation. One of the key elements of overcoming fear is reframing how we view risk itself. Instead of seeing risk as something dangerous or to be avoided, we can choose to see it as an opportunity for growth. Every risk we take is a chance to learn, to grow, and to evolve into a better version of ourselves. Taking risks doesn't always mean making drastic, life-altering decisions. Sometimes it means making small, incremental changes that push us just a little bit outside of our comfort zones. Whether it's speaking up in a meeting, applying for a job that feels slightly beyond our current qualifications, or pursuing a passion project we've been putting off, these small acts of courage build over time and create a life that is rich with experiences. To overcome fear and take risks, it's important to build resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, to face challenges head-on, and to keep moving forward, even when things don't go as planned. It's the ability to acknowledge fear, but not let it paralyze us. Building resilience means cultivating a mindset that views challenges and obstacles as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable barriers. When we develop resilience, we learn that failure is not a reflection of our worth, but a temporary setback that can be overcome with persistence and determination. Part of overcoming fear is also learning to trust ourselves. Trusting in our own judgment, in our ability to handle the unknown, and in our capacity to adapt and grow. When we trust ourselves, we give ourselves permission to take risks, knowing that we have the inner strength and resources to handle whatever comes our way. D. Self-trust is a powerful antidote to fear, because it shifts our focus from what could go wrong to what we can do to make it right. Taking risks is not just about big, bold decisions. It's also about the small, everyday choices we make to step outside of our comfort zones. Whether it's having a difficult conversation, trying something new, or taking on a new challenge, these are the risks that add up over time and shape the trajectory of our lives. The more we practice taking risks, the easier it becomes to take bigger ones. And the more we embrace the discomfort that comes with taking risks, the more we realize that fear is not something to avoid. It's something to be moved through. Ultimately, overcoming fear and taking risks is about reclaiming our personal power. It's about refusing to let fear dictate the choices we make. Refusing to let it keep us stuck in a life that is smaller than the one we are capable of living. By acknowledging our fears, understanding them, and taking action in spite of them, we free ourselves to live a life that is truly our own. A life where we are not limited by fear, but empowered by it. The past is something that we all carry with us, whether we realize it or not. It shapes who we are, influences our decisions, and often defines the way we view the world. But when we cling too tightly to the past, we limit our ability to move forward and live in the present. Holding on to past mistakes, regrets, or missed opportunities keeps us trapped in a cycle of a what could have been instead of a what could be. Letting go of the past is not about forgetting or denying what happened, but about releasing its hold over our lives so we can fully embrace the future. One of the most difficult aspects of letting go of the past is dealing with regret. We all have moments in our lives where we wish we had made different choices. Whether it's a relationship we should have walked away from sooner, an opportunity we didn't seize, or a mistake we can't undo. Regret can be a heavy burden to carry, and it often leads us to ruminate over our past actions, asking ourselves over and over, what if I had done things differently? This constant self-questioning keeps us stuck in the past, preventing us from fully engaging with the present and moving forward. However, what we need to understand is that regret serves no purpose other than to rob us of peace. It cannot change what happened, and it cannot undo the past. It only keeps us trapped in a loop of negative thinking, reinforcing feelings of guilt and self-blame. To move beyond regret, we must first acknowledge it without judgment.